Hey friends, welcome to Intensify Your Personality, and this is Naresh Mahato Intensify to intensify your personality. Now today we're gonna learn about how to become powerful introductor. In other words, if I say how to have a powerful introductions, powerful, बिल्कुल powerful. अब powerful कैसे बनना है? खुद को powerful बनाना पड़ेगा, powerful बनाना पड़ेगा. Not that, let me give you a break, the best idea. If you are a freshers, you are doing an MBA and you are ready to go for the job, but you are feared, आपको डर लग रहा है कि पहला इंटरव्यू कैसा जाएगा, और you are an BTech student, final year, going to appear for the interview, and you are afraid, you are feared, like what's gonna happen, अब क्या होगा, मैं इंटरव्यू क्रैक कर पाऊँगा कि नहीं, हे भगवान मेरे को बचा लेना. Don't worry, I've come now. This is Naresh Mahato to intensify your personality. Intensify your personality. Now, we're gonna learn how to make a powerful introduction. Powerful introduction means आप अपने आप को कैसे एक powerful introduction आप दे सकते हो एक इंटरव्यू पे. And what is this interview basically? It's a place where you can show off your personality. आपका इंट्रोडक्शन में आपका पर्सनैलिटी झलकना चाहिए. इंट्रोडक्शन में पावरफुल आपका पर्सनैलिटी झलकना चाहिए. हाउ आई एम गोना शो यू नाउ. फॉर डैट what we're gonna do is that let me tell you some of the important points where you can design your introductions. अब हम लोग कुछ होमवर्क भी करेंगे इसमें, क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट जो चीज़ें हैं वो इसमें डालेंगे. आपको कुछ फ्यू थिंग्स आपको इंट्रोडक्शन बनाने से पहले करना पड़ेगा. पहला जो है आपको जानना पड़ेगा आपका क्वालिटीज़ क्या है. व्हाट आर योर क्वालिटीज़, व्हाट आर द क्वालिटीज़ दैट यू हैव. Maybe you are a hardworking person, maybe you are a team player, maybe you are a very enthusiastic person, maybe you are a very lifelong learner. Lot of things it can be, no? So list down everything, what are your values, what are your qualities, everything. Okay, now let me give you the exercise. The exercise is like make a 2-column. This will be a homework before going to the introduction part. This is a homework that make a 2-column, right hand side, left hand side. Left side जो weak होता है will be all the subject points or whatever which are like you have the concept but you are not having the deep knowledge. You don't have the deep knowledge but you have the concept. Those will be in the left hand side. But the rest, everything should be in the right hand side. This is a strong knowledge. Questions, anything from the right hand side, you must be answered so well. इतने अच्छे से आपको आंसर करना है that you are able to blow his mind. It should be like that. So you should have a very good concept of all the subject which are your strong points. What it can be, company's profile, you should have a very good knowledge about it. Company's product क्या क्या launch करने वाली है, CEO कौन है, these are the things you need to know. मीडिया में क्या चल रहा है उस कंपनी के बारे में you should know it. इसके अलावा आपका स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेस क्या है. मैंने एक ऑलरेडी वीडियो बना चुका है जिसमें स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेस कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. वो चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसको देखिए. उसके बाद आप ये वाला फॉलो करिए. उसके बाद में सारे स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेस आपको जानने पड़ेंगे. आपका स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, वीकनेस क्या है. वीकनेस आपको पता होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि वो उसको वीकनेस पता चल रहा है आपको पता ही नहीं है. इट शुड नॉट हैपन डैट वे. सारे स्ट्रेंथ को लिस्ट डाउन करिए, सारे वीकनेस को लिस्ट डाउन करिए. ठीक है. इसके बाद में आपका जो भी जैसे जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शंस, कंपनी का जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन आपके पास होना चाहिए. लुक इनटू इट, गो थ्रू इट, स्कैन इट प्रॉपरली, फाइंड आउट करिए उसमें क्या क्या कीवर्ड्स है, व्हाट दे आर लुकिंग फॉर. Are they looking for a dynamic person? Are they looking for a team player kind of a person? Are they looking for a very hardworking person? Are they looking for a very energetic person? What they're looking for, look into it. Whatever they're looking for keywords, those keyword has to be there in your introductions because they're looking for they're looking for a dynamic person. It should be there in your introduction. आप उसे बनाओ, आप इंट्रोडक्शन में डालो उसे. इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आर दे लुकिंग फॉर अ टीम प्लेयर? इट शुड बी देयर इन योर इंट्रोडक्शन. अब मैं बता रहा हूँ ये चीज़ कॉमन है, ये क्वालिटीज़ आपका कॉमन है. एवरीबडी कैन बी अ टीम प्लेयर. एवरीबडी कैन बी अ टीम प्लेयर. अपने स्कूल टाइम में क्या आप क्रिकेट मैच नहीं खेलते थे क्या, फुटबॉल नहीं खेलते थे ना. उसमें टीम का ज़रूरत होता है ना. इफ़ यू आर कोऑपरेटिव एनफ, इफ़ यू आर डिपेंडेंट एनफ, देन दैट मीन्स यू हैव अ टीम प्लेयर क्वालिटीज़. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कॉर्पोरेट में टीम प्लेयर बहुत होना ज़रूरत है. इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक वन मैन आर्मी. नहीं, वन मैन आर्मी बिल्कुल नहीं चलेगा. यू हैव टू बी अ टीम प्लेयर. यू शुड बी डिपेंडेंट. बट डिपेंडेंट का मतलब ये नहीं कि आप हर चीज़ के लिए डिपेंड हो. डिपेंडेंट का मतलब एक when the company has to achieve a bigger goal, there requires a cooperation from all the team members. If one member thinks that I can do everything, no, it should not be. आप अकेले सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते. आप कितना करोगे? 80%, but the work is like 1000%. how you are going to achieve it. Alone is not possible. You need to take the cooperation from the other members. And that's where team player is required. इसके अलावा क्या हो सकता है? Dynamic. What else? Energetic. What else? Hardworking. It should be there in the introduction part. I'll tell you how to do, and I'll also show you how it can be crafted a very nice introduction. After that, ये सारे आपने लिस्ट डन कर लिया, सारा पॉजिटिव जहाँ पे आपका कंप्लीट नॉलेज है, यू हैव अ वेरी गुड ग्रास्प ऑफ इट, पुट इट इन द राइट हैंड साइड. आपका राइट हैंड साइड में होना चाहिए. स्ट्रॉन्ग हैंड नो, सो राइट हैंड साइड. लेफ्ट हैंड थोड़ा वीक है, तो उसमें लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जो जिसमें कॉन्सेप्ट डीप नॉलेज नहीं है, बट आई हैव द नॉलेज. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए जहाँ पे बिल्कुल आपको पता नहीं है. और बिल्कुल आप पैनिक मत होइए, क्योंकि आपको ऑलमोस्ट सभी कुछ पता है. आपका स्पेशलाइजेशन हो सकता है, या फिर नॉन स्पेशलाइजेशन सब्जेक्ट हो सकता है, या फिर आपका साइंस एंड मैथ्स हो सकता है. यू डोंट हैव टू गो वेरी डीप इनसाइड इट. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आई डोंट हैव नॉलेज अबाउट द साइंस, डोंट वरी. अब बस अगर कोई सब्जेक्ट है जहाँ पे आपको पता नहीं है अच्छे से, बस ऊपर का चैप्टर आप देख लो, ज़रूरत नहीं, पूछने वाला बिल्कुल नहीं है वो. बस टू बी ऑन द सेफर साइड, जस्ट लुक एट द चैप्टर्स, क्या चैप्टर्स है. ओके, दैट्स ऑल. अगर कोई सब्जेक्ट है जो आपका अच्छे से पता नहीं है आपको, यू डोंट हैव द डीप नॉलेज, जस्ट हैव द सब्जेक्ट. उसमें चैप्टर्स क्या गया, व्हाट आर द इंडेक्स, जस्ट हैव अ लुक ऑन इट, डन. डोंट पैनिक. अगर कोई सब्जेक्ट आपको अच्छे से नहीं आता है, डोंट वरी, जस्ट हैव द चैप्टर्स नेम, डन. इज नॉट गोइंग टू गो डीप इन टू इट. बस उसका कॉन्सेप्ट थोड़ा बहुत आपको पता होना. मैं मान लीजिए कि आपसे पूछ रहा है कि व्हाट इज़ लाइक अकाउंटेंसी. अब although this is from the different background, you should know the meaning of it. At least you should know the little bit concept about it, and that's why it's important actually. Now after gathering all this information, your qualities, your values, your strength, weakness and everything, okay, हर चीज़ इसके अंदर में होना चाहिए, इसके बाहर कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए. डन. सिंपल है. पैनिक बिल्कुल नहीं होना है. पैनिक इसलिए नहीं होना है बिकॉज आपको, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि आपको डीप नॉलेज इंटरव्यू के एक दिन पहले सब कुछ करना पड़ेगा. डीप नॉलेज नहीं चाहिए. जो पहले से जो आपको पता है सो पता है, बस, और कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है. यही बस आपका छोटा सा होमवर्क रहेगा कि आप पूरा लिस्ट डाउन करिए, लिस्ट डाउन करिए. अगर कोई चीज़ के बारे में बिल्कुल पता नहीं है, थोड़ा सा चैप्टर सब देख लीजिए, डन. उसके अंदर बीच में पूरा घुसना नहीं है अंदर में, ठीक है. नाउ we are going for the introduction part. Now how to craft introduction. Now see, an introduction is like your whole interview should be a kind of a battlefield which you designed it, you strategize it, and the whole battlefield, the whole introduction should be, the whole interview should be in your favor. It should be in your favor. All the question asked should be of your choice, of your subject, from the right hand side. All the question should be from the right hand side. एटलीस्ट इन द फर्स्ट HR इंटरव्यू में. आपका जो पहला इंटरव्यू होगा, HR राउंड जो होता है, जहाँ पे पर्सनालिटी टेस्ट होता है, उसमें सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन जो होने चाहिए वो आपके चॉइस, आपके राइट हैंड साइड से होना चाहिए. कैसे, मैं अभी बताता हूँ आपको. लेट्स, मैंने कुछ ऑलरेडी बना के रखे हुए हैं. यू कैन मॉडल इट, डोंट कॉपी इट, मॉडल इट. ऐसा सिमिलरली आप बना सकते हैं, जहाँ पे आप सारे जो पॉइंट्स होंगे, आपका इधर कीवर्ड्स होगा, आपका वैल्यूज़ होगा, आपका क्वालिटीज़ होगा, एवरीथिंग विल बी देयर, बट सब राइट हैंड साइड से ही होगा, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. इट विल बी एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड, नॉट ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, बिकॉज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज़ अ वीक पॉइंट. इसलिए वीक पॉइंट के बारे में तो बताना ही नहीं है. उसको पूछे तो बात अलग है, मैं बता दूंगा, बिकॉज आई नो द नॉलेज, आई हैव सम कॉन्सेप्ट. बट राइट हैंड साइड इज़ माई स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट. आस्क मी एनीथिंग, आई एम गोइंग टू ब्लो योर माइंड. It should be like this, okay. Now let me read out the introduction which I have made, but let me tell you what are the things will be there in the introduction part. First, your name has to be there. First, greetings, then name has to be there, then your qualification you can say, then you can say if you are a freshers, then definitely you need to talk about some project if you have done, or some kind of like achievement you need to put into it. Achievement आप डालिए, then quality सब डालिए, some keywords quality आपको डालना है इसमें. Then what else? It can be your, if you wanted to say about your hobby, you can. If you wanted to tell about your parents, you can, but in a different way. How? I'll show you now. Follow me now. Now I'm reading it now, and you can see on the screen how it is mentioned. I'm sitting in an interview and I'm giving my introduction, and the question is, like, tell me about yourself. Okay, this is the first question which is going to come for everybody. Good morning, sir. My name is Vikas and I belong from Assam, Northeast, India's incredible India destination. My schooling, higher secondary, graduation in BSc has been done from Guwahati only, under Guwahati University. I'm a hardworking person as I'm brilliant in academics and extracurricular activity. And due to this, I have won accolades in my school and college. I'm a team player and one of the significant contributor in every match. So we have won many matches. My mother has been a homemaker, my father a grocery shopkeeper, and so in my vacation I used to help them in running the house and generating more revenue by using WhatsApp technology. I have two siblings and I help them in their studies. In my free time, I used to read self-help book because it helps me in self-development. So this was the introduction. As I said, you just model it but don't copy it. Why did I say in the first, like after greetings, I say that I belong from Assam, Northeast, India's incredible India destination. Incredible India destination. Because in my right hand side, I know that I know everything about my place. I know I stay in Assam, and anything asked from this place, I can give him a very exact, very good answers where he'll be impressed by my answers. And that's why I added into it incredible India destination. It's a tourist spot. You can also use similar to that anything, like you can like with your name you can use like this, like people used to say no, like with their name some quality they used to add it. मेरा नाम है गोलू, मेरा नाम है गोलू, लोग मुझे बोलते हैं भोलू, प्यार से लोग मुझे बोलते हैं भोलू बिकॉज मैं भोला भाला हूँ. Something like that. My name is Alex and I'm a footballer. Let me repeat this again. मेरा नाम है गोलू, लोग मुझे बोलते हैं भोलू बिकॉज मैं भोला भाला हूँ. Again the next one I said, my name is Alex and I'm a footballer. My name is Rohan, I'm a guitarist. So some quality they've added into it so that to let them know that who I am. So by the first line only he got to know that I am a bhola bhala, or I'm an innocent person, or I'm a footballer, or whatever, so and so. So you need to add some qualities which you have, which you think that this is very prominent in me. People used to address me, people know me. Add into your introduction. After that, you can, after about your qualification and all, you can say in one line. But I would recommend you that put more in focus on your qualities, your project, your achievement, all these things. These are now you need to blend it with the keywords which they are looking for. If the company is looking for a hardworking person, your qualities, it should be your qualities. I'm not telling you to lie because these are common words. No, hardworking. Everybody is a hardworking. How you can tell him? You can say that when I was in my school days, I was when I was preparing for my NEET exam or AIEEE exam or for the IIT exams, I worked hard so much that I was able to get very good marks. I was able to crack the exams with all the responsibilities as well. Like I was also helping to my to my siblings. I was also helping to my mother because she was like. I help my mother, I also help my father in her revenue generation or anything, whatever your situation is there. Make it that way. Make it impressive. Make your introduction in such a way that you are a responsible person, you are a very hardworking person, you are a very enthusiastic person, you are a very passionate person. You need to use this word passionate. I'm very passionate about helping people and all these things. Why? Because they're looking for a passionate people. Because it's a general no. When you say that a passionate people is 100 times better than a 100 interested people. Think about it. One passionate person is 1,100 times better, important than 100 interested people. See, one passionate person, so much importance is given, and that's why you should use this word. I'm passionate about helping people. I'm passionate about doing my work. I'm passionate about accomplishing my tasks, and then I used to leave my tasks. Then I used to have my meal. After accomplishing my task, then I used to have my meal. I'm so passionate that after accomplishing my task, I used to have my meal. See, that way you need to express it. Then what else? After that I used lot of on the qualities. What are the qualities I used? Hardworking I used, team player I used. I also said that I have, due to my academics and extracurricular activities, I have won many accolades. Achievement. I'm highlighting here achievement. It is really going to strike his mind, hit his mind, and make him think that okay, he has won many accolades. Maybe something is there in him or her. After that, you also think that you have won many accolades. You have been hardworking person because of your hardworking, you are able to achieve the seat of the engineering or bring very good result. This is a hardworking person. Also say that I have been helping my parents and all in their household chores and all, and helping them bring more money to the house in running the house. Add some this kind of lines, and the interviewer will be impressed that you are a very responsible person, and he will think that if you are responsible in your house, you will also be responsible in my company, because you are freshers, and for freshers you don't have experience, you only have the qualities, your personality, and that is only can help you beg the job. And that's why highlight more on the qualities, but make sure that your introduction is not more than 1 hour. I mean, like 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. Don't go beyond that. 1 minute is standard. If you wanted to take 1.5 minutes, do that way. Now see, I read a very long line, so but see, don't panic. You only need to remember the points. What are the points? First, name, greetings, then name, then along with it add some qualities. Then first part. Second part, education. In one line, say it, no, education. Then what is the next point? Next point is some qualities. One keyword you found from the hardworking. The keyword is there in the job description. Use that. Hardworking. Then you can say I'm a team player. Next keywords. Okay. Then you can say about your hobby or interest or whatever you can say. You can say about the project also before that. Then hobby, interest. How do you say your hobbies and all? You say that my hobby, in my free times I used to read books, because self-help books, because it gives me a lot of knowledge, it gives me lot of inspirations, it helps my main it helps me in personal development actually, and that's why I used to read self-help book. And you can name the book also. Suppose you can say I used to read self-help book of Shiv Khera. It is very brilliant book. Don't lie. If you don't read book, then don't say. Say something which you do and very productive one. You can say that I used to read books and I love analyzing the books. I used to read newspaper and I love analyzing it. He'll be counter questioning you again. So choose any hobby which is helpful for your self development. You can say that I used to, in my free time I used to play tennis, table tennis. It helps me in my personal development because I learn lot of perseverance. I get lot of, I am able to learn discipline. It helps me in my discipline, personal discipline. It helps me in my for example motivations. It helps me a lot in my personal development actually. अब जो भी hobby आपको बताना है, use it in a way that it shows that you are working on your personal development. It is helpful for your personal development. No hobby should be your time waster. Time waster नहीं होना चाहिए. ऐसा आप कभी मत बताना. It will be like negative effect is there. After it, what you can say? If you wanted to say about your interest I said. Hobby I said. Hobby, interest is same thing. After it, you can say about your parents. If you wanted to tell about your parents, who stay in your parents, don't say directly. Say in a way, a story. I mean, I'm in every line I'm just telling you that you use a story. Story is what? A incident which happened in the past. Right? In every sentence with the keywords we are using, what we are saying. We are saying that suppose you wanted to highlight the hardworking. You were saying that when I was preparing for the IIT exams, I was working hard like anything. I forgot to eat my meals on time. There were other responsibilities. I was helping my father, my mother, and I was also taking care of the study of my younger siblings and all. And despite all these challenges, I was able to come up with a very good result. Say this, and he'll be impressed. The story you are telling him, no, directly if you say he won't believe, but if you tell in a story, it is going to believe quickly. That's why you need to use a story, the power of story, very, very important. And in that way, anything you wanted to claim, you need to claim with a incident, you need to claim with the story, you need to prove it basically. And story make them believe. It's a mantra, it's a hack, you can achieve it. Now that way you need to go, and I think everything is covered. So these are the things you can, if you wanted to add anything more, you can put it, but don't worry, if you write it can become one page, but you are only using a point and the story. Don't write the story. If you wanted to write, but don't mug up. Practice it before going, and then you go. And never give one word answer, give the reason behind it. I hope it was helpful for any freshers. If you're from MBA, you are in engineering, or you are doing a normal graduations, or any graduation, or BCA or BSc, anything, you will be able to crack the interview. Don't worry for that. But do the homework. If you don't do the homework, then it's your risk. it's your responsibility actually, but this is going to help you crack the interview. Surely you are going to crack the interview, because it will make the interviewer think about you, and you'll be at the priority because you have given so good points about it. So friends, if you have any kind of doubt, any query and all, do comment. I'll reply personally to you, and it is going to help you win any interview. Any kind of help you're looking for, comment in the comment on the box, and then let me know, and I'll surely help you. So that's all for today, and if you liked the video, do subscribe to the channel, because it's a kind of a motivation for us. And subscribe to the channel to get the regular updates and all. Hit the bell icon for notification every time. So see you then. Intensify your personality. This is Naresh Mahato, Intensify, signing off.